differential equation presented by Hardik M. Pandya, research scholar, Department of Mathematics, MK, Bhavnagar University, Bhavnagar. The series solution. In the previous lecture, we solved this equation and try it yourself this problem. Solve the series the equation 4x second derivative of y plus 2 first derivative of y plus y is equal to 0. Solution. Since x is equal to 0 is a regular singular point of a given equation, let its series solution be y is equal to x raised to m into c0 plus c1x plus c2x square plus c3x cube plus up to infinite is equal to summation from k is equal to 0 to infinite ck into x raised to m plus k. In previous lecture we solved the second order differential equation taking k is equal to 0 to infinite ck into x raised to k. Now here we solve this equation, this solution y is equal to k is equal to 0 to infinite ck x raised to m plus k. Here we have requirement of second derivative of y, first derivative of y and y. So this is the solution. Y is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to infinite ck x raised to m plus k. First derivative summation k is equal to 0 to infinite m plus k ck x raised to m plus k minus 1, and the second derivative summation k is equal to 0 to infinite m plus k into m plus k minus 1 ck x raised to m plus k minus 2. Putting this value in the equation, we get this equation 4x into second derivative plus 2 into first derivative plus y is equal to 0. Substituting the value y, y dash and y double dash, we get this equation. Next, and this is expansion of summation. Multiply x, here we get x raised to m minus 1. So the x raised to minus 1 into x raised to 1. So here x raised to m, here plus 1, here plus 2, x raised to minus 1, and okay. So the lower power of x is equal to x raised to m minus 1. So equating to 0 the coefficient of x raised to m minus 1, we get c0 into 4x, sorry, c0 into 4 into m minus 1 plus 2m is equal to 0. C1 is not equal to C0 is not equal to 0, so this equal to 0. So 4m into m minus 1 plus 2m is equal to 0, which is initial equation this equal to 0, so we can find the root m is equal to 0 and m is equal to 1 by 2, which are distinct. Equating the coefficient of x raised to k plus 1, x raised to k plus m, we get the recurrence relation c k plus 1 is equal to minus ck upon 2m plus 2k plus 2 into 2am plus 2k plus 1, where k is equal to 0, 1 to infinite. For the root m is equal to 1 by 2, the solution corresponding to m is equal to 1 by 2, put the value m is equal to 1 by 2, so this is 2k plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 2k plus 3, m is equal to 1 by 2, so 2k plus 1 plus 1, 2k plus 2, we get the relation for m is equal to 1 by 2, c k plus 1 is equal to minus ck upon 2k plus 3 into 2k plus 2. For the value k is equal to 0, we get c1 minus c0 upon 3 into 2, c2 is equal to minus c1 upon 5 into 4, for k is equal to 1, for k is equal to 2. Now the value of c1 is equal to the value of c1 is equal to minus c0 upon 3 into 2, so 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, so this is 5 factorial, and minus minus plus, c3 is equal to minus c2 upon 7 into 6, so we put the value c2, so minus c2 into c2 is equal to find the value of c3 is equal to minus c2 value c0 upon 5 factorial into 7 into 6, so this is 7 factorial, and in general cn is equal to minus 1 raised to n 2n plus 1 factorial into c0. So the first solution is y1 of x is equal to c0 into x raised to m is equal to 1 by 2, and c0 and the value 1 minus 1 by 6 into x plus 1 by 1 to 0 into x square plus up to infinite. Next, for the value m is equal to 0, the solution corresponding to m is equal to 0, we obtain the recurrence relation ck plus 1 is equal to minus ck upon 2k plus 2 into 2k plus 1, where k is equal to 0, 1 to infinite. c1 is equal to minus c0 upon 2 into 1. c2, for k is equal to 0 we get c1, for k is equal to 1 we get c2, for k is equal to 2 we get c3, and the c1 is equal to minus c0 upon 2 into 1, c2 is equal to minus c1 upon 4 into 3, but c1 is equal to minus c2 upon 2 factorial, so c2 is equal to c0 upon 4 factorial. For value c3 is equal to minus c2 upon 6 into 5, but c2 is equal to this, so we get c3 is equal to minus c0 upon 6 factorial. So we get solution, general form is Cn is equal to minus 1 raised to n upon 2n factorial into C0. So the second independent solution is y2 of x is equal to C0 into x raised to 0 into 1 minus x by 2 plus 1 by 24 into x square minus up to infinite. This is the second independent solution. And last, general solution, y is equal to a1 into y1 plus a2 into y2. Substitute the value y1 and y2, we get this. So y is equal to this is the arbitrary constant, so this is equal to this, we can take a, and this is arbitrary constant, so we replace by b, and this is the general solution. Y is equal to a into under root x 1 minus 1 by 6 into x plus 1 upon 120 into x square minus up to infinite plus b into 1 minus x by 2 plus 1 by 24 into x square minus up to infinite. Complete the first problem. Now second, solve the series equation 1 minus x square into second derivative of y minus 2x into first derivative of y plus n into n plus 1 y is equal to 0. Let the solution y is equal to this. So we have to find the value of m and the value C1, C2 and C3. So we get the solution of the form C0 form. Here the solution y is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to infinite ck into x raised to m plus k be the solution of the equation. We have to find first derivative of y and second derivative of y. So dy by dx is equal to this, and second derivative d2y upon dx square is equal to this, and put the value of y, first derivative of y and second derivative of y in the equation number 1. So we get the equation 1 minus x square into, this is value of second derivative, this is value of first derivative, and this is value of y. So next, this is the explanation of the summation. This equation must be satisfied for all value of x equating to 0. The coefficient of like powers, first C0 into m minus 1 is equal to 0, C1 into m plus 1 is equal to 0 up to last term minus ck m plus k into m plus k minus 1 minus 2ck m plus k plus ck into n plus 1 plus ck plus 2 into m plus k plus 2 into m plus k plus 1 is equal to 0. This is first, this is second, and this is last. If we consider C0 as arbitrary, we have m is equal to 0 and 1 the root. This is equal to 0, so root, this is arbitrary, so C0 is not equal to 0, so m into m minus 1 is equal to 0, so we get m is equal to 0 and 1. If m is equal to 0, first we take m is equal to 0. The second equation is C1 into m plus 1 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 0. So m is equal to 0. So this equation is satisfied. And the last equation we get in the last equation we put m is equal to 0. M is equal to 0. We get ck plus 2 is equal to minus n minus k into n plus k plus 1 upon k plus 1 into k plus 2 into ck, where k is equal to 1 to infinite. This is called the recurrence relation. In the recurrence relation, k is equal to put 0, 1 to infinite. If we put 0, we get c2 is equal to minus n into n plus 1 upon 2 factorial into c0. For k is equal to 0, we get c2. K is equal to 1, we get c3. K is equal to 2, we get c4. For k is equal to 3, we get c5. Here c2, here the even term c2 c4 is of the form c0 into some integers, c0 into some integers, and the odd term of the form c1 into some integers and c1 into some integers. In general, we can write y is equal to c0 of the even terms and c1 of the odd terms. So that is y is equal to c0 into, this is, we can say this is y1 of x and this is y2 of x. This is the solution where c0 and c1 are arbitrary. The general solution of Legendre's equation is y1 of x is equal to this and y2 of x is equal to this. Here we solve the equation is Legendre's equation, and the solution of this equation is y1 of x and y2 of x. Next, for case m is equal to 1, if m is equal to 1, the second equation is c1 into m minus 1 m plus 1 is equal to 0. So for m is equal to 1, this is not equal to 0. So this is not equal to 0. So c1 must be 0. And the last equation we get ck plus 2 is equal to minus n minus k minus 1 into n plus k plus 2 up to k plus 2 into k minus 3 into ck, where k is equal to 0, 1 to infinite. For k is equal to 0, we get c2. For k is equal to 1, we get c3. Similarly, c2, c3 and c4. For c2 is equal to minus n minus 1 into n plus 2 upon 3 factorial into c0, and c3 is equal to, for k is equal to 1, c3 is equal to minus n minus 2 into n plus 3 upon 3 into 4 into c1, but c1 is equal to 0, so all odd terms are 0. C5, C7 and C9 up to infinite all are 0, and C4 is equal to minus n minus 3 into n plus 4 upon 4 into 5 into C2 is equal to n minus 3 n plus 4 n minus 3 into n plus 4 into C2. The value of C2 is equal to minus plus n minus 1 into n plus 2 upon 3 factorial into 4 into 5. So this is here 5 factorial into C0. Hence the solution is y is equal to C0 into this. This is same solution of y2 when m is equal to 0, hence m is equal to 1 does not lead any new solution. This is the part of the first solution. So hence the general solution of the equation is y is equal to C0 into 1 minus n into n plus 1 upon 2 factorial into x square plus n minus 2 into n plus 3 into n plus 1 upon 4 factorial into x raised to 4 minus up to infinite plus c1 into x minus n minus 1 into n plus 2 upon 3 factorial into x cube plus n minus 1 into n minus 3 into n plus 2 into n plus 4 upon 5 factorial x raised to 5 minus up to infinite. This is the solution of Legendre's equation 1 minus x square y second derivative of y minus 2x this is equation is Legendre's equation. This is equation is Legendre's equation. We solve this equation in any other method also. Thank you.